Alright, y'all. Um, alright, I'm just gonna wait for a few seconds just to be sure. So, let me just open up my GitHub here. $999 contributions. We legit have one, like anything really, commit, an issue, literally anything can trigger this. But I think I want to do it an actual, like a actual commit here. I don't wanna, you know. So now I'm gonna find what project I can do this in. For Saturn client, I worked with, you know, a few changes. I made a lot of changes. Yeah, by the way, new cloaks. These are actually pretty epic cloaks. As you can see, they're actually pretty nice. And yeah, also fixed you know, a few bugs as well. Mainly with the cloak rendering. Yeah, by the way, now I have a bendy cloak. So if we look into pull requests here, we can see we have a bendy cloak finally. And yeah, I mean that's about it. So I want to work on Asui, which currently has been one of my most popular projects, like actually good popular instead of like I mean, I've made this project. Hold on, let me just. I've made this project, which is like more popular. It has like 15 stars, but like I don't know. It's not really. I wouldn't consider this a project. As I would consider more of like a installer and like just a simple. It's not really anything. So yeah. Anyway, so on the SUI here, I have a pretty nice thing going on. I think my current issue or like whatever is happening is for scrolling. I think I'm gonna check, but I'm pretty sure that's what currently has been going on with Asui, as far as I know. Yeah. So, oh wait, origin master. Scroll. Is there even yeah, there is. Okay, already up to date. Good. So, let's cargo run dash dash example iter here. I think, yeah. So I don't remember correctly what it was for scrolling. I think it's page up, page down. Hold on, let me just. Okay, so currently we have it on the flex row, right? Yeah. So page down. Okay. Page down. Damn. Yeah, so as you can see, it's very buggy. Now I'm gonna look at the commit history here because I don't know what exactly I've done. Render bounds. Okay. Interesting. Oh wait, problem. Oh yeah, that's the issue. Okay. So to fix this issue, we first gotta run this. Um, so yeah, in examples here, we have iter. Yeah, so in this example right here, we have a scroll on flex row, but we can do that, and basically it works now. So I can page down, and it actually works. So I don't know if I should do that on a different release, or just like fix that on a different release, or I should fix it now to make it like a stable release, quote unquote. But I don't know, cause also like I haven't been working on docs. I've only like gener sweet. I've only generated like docs with AI, and just made like a small project that basically just like generates docs for you. Spark. Oh yeah, also Forge. I also want to work on that. So yeah, Spark here. We have our AI documentation generator. Oh yeah, by the way, I should open GitHub, man. Or sorry, YouTube. Oh yeah, by the way, I should open GitHub, man. Let me just, or sorry, I can YouTube. Like view chat. Oh yeah, but yo, it's me hacking. Yo, I'm doing good, bro. I'm sorry. I didn't see the chat. That's why I opened YouTube. So, okay. Yeah, I'm doing good, bro. What about you? I'm also doing fine. So like, do I just? What project do you think I should work on right now? Currently, like this. You know what? I'm just gonna keep this bug, bro. It doesn't. I think people just stay as like logic, bug as a logic. Don't put a flex row in a. Nah, that sounds stupid. I'm not gonna lie. So like, I think that's like the problem has to do with the render scope. I think. Yeah. So like update render bounds. It has either has to do with render bounds here, or somewhere else. Like it definitely has to do with render scope here. Mainly because the way all this UI stuff and like handling works is that we have like two phases for transformation and stuff. The first phase, let me just open that up real quick. Scroll down, render widget. So the first phase is this here. We clear, we get the render context, or we create one, and here we get the transform. This is the first stage of the transform. We do not know the position yet, but we want to know the size, because later on we might need the position, because in order for something to be centered, we basically have to do position x, for example, is equal to parent size divided minus let's say for example 120 is like the child, or like the element we want to center. So parent size minus child size divided by 2. That's how you center something. So we can even view the code if that's necessary. So basically use position here. As you can see, abstractions pretty well made, I guess. And yeah, so this is for the center. As you can see, we're doing the same logic I just explained. And for the end, basically, putting it here, basically, you just do parent minus size. It's that simple. So basically what's happening here is, what I think is happening at least, is that the render scope does the div, it does not know the size it should be for the render bounds to apply. So it only sets the render bounds to 1, which is what we just saw. So if I just put the div here, aka our parent, place it, even though we set our dimensions to be statically set, not dynamically, we still have our render bound set as 1. So it only renders 1. It doesn't render anything else, because that's our render bounds. And even worse than that, I cannot go up or down. Maybe I can try and do like focused here. I think that's how you said it. I forgot. Oh yeah, okay, that's how you said it. So we can try and do this. I hope it works maybe. No, it does not. I'm pressing the scrolling keys. It does not work. And compare that to just, you know, just removing the parent and having just the scrolling works. So I don't know. There's something wrong with that, I guess. And I guess, okay, by the way, should we try making this static? Would that work? Static. Let's try it. I don't know. I actually never tried it. Whoa, it actually. Oh yeah, because. Wait, no, what? It's the four. Oh, so that's what's. That's interesting. I actually. So yeah, okay, okay, fair enough. So yeah, I added the static feature in case like you want performance optimizations. You know, pretty cool. So it doesn't like have to check for like dependencies all the time. And yeah, we are actually using it here as well for the thing here. And yeah, if you're gonna change like the vector, it probably will not change, I think. So yeah, keep that in mind if you will. Also, I other than that, I think therethe's no other bugs here. We have a release stable at least somewhat. Currently, wait, what release? I think it's like 0.9 or something. 0.1, 0.1. Wow, we have gone a long way, bro. Okay, so I'm just gonna open all of these just to see what I've done. Ooh, okay, so yeah, by the way, I think I'm gonna give up on the idea of scrolling for now. I'm gonna, oh yeah, by the way, heading. It's actually very cool. Let me just open that up real quick. Heading. This is actually like crazy. Well, not crazy, but like pretty cool. CLI is deep. Oh wait, no, 2E is the best. Boom. And wait, can we scroll now? Ah, damn. Oh wait, no. Hold on. Oh damn. Well, we won't see anything when we scroll. That's another bug we just found. I'm not sure if it has to do with the heading itself or it has to do with the text rendering that the heading is doing. But it's weird. But yeah. Also, colors, do they work? Oh yeah, I think there's like a problem when you do a heading with colors. Let me just quickly remove all this. Transform new dot center. Wait, no, center. I keep forgetting, man. Okay, so now we do a static tick heading, and we do hello world. So now we do style. I think there's a style macro, so I don't have to. Oh damn. Alright, so there's no style macro. Well, we just type style then. If foreground is gonna be color or wait, how does this? Oh, wait, for color style. Oh yeah, style. Bro, everything is confusing kinda. Okay, back. Okay, so style background. Okay, so that's an option U32. Okay, so that means sum 0xFF. Let's do blue. Actually, no, red. Okay, so now we do background. What? No background for now. All right. let's go. So yeah, it's event centered properly. We can remove that if we would like, you know, just keep it on the, or let's try end. Let's dot. No, wait. I think it's, wait, hold on. Oh yeah, dot bottom, dot right. Okay, so dot right. Let's put it on the right side. Boom. Pretty cool. Wait, was it centered on the right? Oh yeah, yeah. Okay, that's right. Okay. So okay, I think the problem now is when I do a blue color. I think that's the problem. When I do a blue color, it like had bugs somehow. Okay, yeah, yeah, it looks off. It doesn't look like pure blue. It looks like purplish blue. So just for an example, we'll do this static hello world, just to show you guys what pure blue looks like. Whoa, that's, is that the terminal doing that? Let me just uh, I'm pretty sure that's the terminal. Hold on, let me just, damn, holy shit, I have so many tabs. All right, so like PWD, oh wait, okay, so CD into, wait, hold on, you guys don't see it though. By the way, I've been trying Kali recently, um like ever since I've gone into cybersec. I've done Kali, so you know, getting back into pen testing and shit. So like, are we, what are we gonna do again? Oh yeah, okay, cargo run example enter. Yeah, iter. So okay, so now let's try and run this. Oh, I don't want a quit event handler. Okay, that's cool. Oh damn, I thought, hold on, is this the positioning, man? Because like I swear there was a bug. Did it somehow fix itself? I don't know, sometimes it worries me when bugs fix themselves. You know, it kind of worries me. I wanna, you know, when I fix a bug, I wanna actually fix it, because I don't know if it's hiding now. Damn, could be. Hmm. I don't know, man. Okay, by the way, paginator. I don't think I've tried that. Um, let's try it. And we'll do. Oh wait, no. Let's do a div here, because it separates them by a single element. Just like do a regular hello world here with no heading. Let's test this. Yeah, so now tab, boom. All right, come on, please don't crash, just don't crash. Yeah, okay, looks good to me. It's not even crashing when I hold tab. So yeah, by the way, tab and shift tab are like to navigate this. We can also run the Tor if we like. So Tor, boom. Wait, I think I was supposed to, let me just, yeah, so I was supposed to see these, so I don't, bruh. Alright, it's kind of confusing, but I think I just do static here. Maybe that works somehow. Yeah, I should definitely run all tests before doing any pushing. Oh shit, hold on. I think I can just press Q, escape here. Yeah, nice. Yeah, so the tour has a escape event. Let's add that to the iter. Oh, always focus as well. Yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, so screen as an argument. Screen Wait, do we need the mutex? No, we don't. Okay. Okay, what are the bugs right now? Takes one argument, but 0 arguments were supplied. Okay, yep. So we do screen.clone here. It's a atomic pointer reference, so it should be pretty fast anyway. It's initialization, so who cares? Oh. Yeah. So what happened specifically? Okay, so I'm gonna discard all of the files here. Oh, okay, so let me okay, that's not great. So let's git checkout master git pull, and let's rerun this, hopefully. Oh, okay, so that scared me for a second, but yeah, so I don't think I don't think I want to do the scroll feature. I'm gonna maybe do it another time, but holy, okay, that's scared. Oh yeah, it's bro, ditch the scroll feature, man. Remove the entire fucking branch. I don't care. I don't want that. At least we got. At least it works now. I'm pleased now. Okay. Hello world. Oh wait. How do you shift? I think it's shift. Wait, is it? Hold on. What do you use to navigate? What do you use to navigate? Oh yeah. Wait, no, it's using that, so I'm confused. Let me go into sort. No, it's bro. Where is it? Oh, it's here. I'm quite blind. Anyways, escape, close. Are we using the extension? Yeah, relative focus extension. So what is the extension doing here? Key code left, right. Okay, what's the first statement? Yeah, so we holding shift right now. Present. Yeah, okay, that works. This works as well. Oh yeah, delete key does not work. Okay, let's implement that. Elements, inputs. So we do right, and then we do, wait, let's do it to backspace. Key code. Delete, yep. So self.cursor is higher than 0, so that we don't need that, but yeah, we also don't move that. So yeah, okay, so I think we need to do a if statements. So if self.cursor is lower than self.state, is this correct? Yeah, dot get get DL, what is it? Oh yeah, okay, prevents deadlocks, cool. Length, okay, so yeah, we just actually, no, let's not do cloning, let's just get it. We're just nice. Wait, no, was that was not meant to happen, was it? Oh wait, no, that's meant to happen. That's the ether Tor. Okay, should hello, and hold on. Oh, okay. Wait, so we delete by self.cursor. I'm not sure what is going on here. Unreachable pattern. Oh, wait. Why did we? I'm confused. Why did we copy him? I don't know, man. Why? Wait, did I write all of this? Did I legit? Who wrote this? Who wrote this? Was that me? What was I on, man? Okay, self.state.get.length is higher than self.cursor. Okay, that's correct, and that's correct. Test. Okay, yeah, it works now. We can, oh, okay. So yeah, that's because it's, we did the is higher than zero statement. So, yeah, okay, that works. Okay, that scared me for a second. So, should this be our 1000th commit, our 1000th commit? Should it or should it not? Um, what do you think? It, I mean, it can, but also, I don't know. Hold on, let me just. All right, so I don't know. Honestly, I'm gonna guess. People, people wanna. I don't know, man. I don't know. I just want. Okay, so like, what should this commit be about? You know? Let's just view. This guy has like a lot of commits. He has like 1000 something, right? Oh, well, close to 2K. Yeah, this guy is pretty cracked. Especially in these recent. It kind of shows like these recent days or weeks. Imagine I accidentally hit 1K, man. Oh, yo, kind of gives me anxiety though. Just like 999. Like I could do something accidentally here and just trigger that, bro. I'm legit. Cause like if I don't know, man. What should I do? 27 commits on Saturn client. What commits have I done here? Nice. Oh, Forge. Yeah. This is gonna be like I basically want to make Golang, but Rust. You're writing Rust. You're writing Golang code in a Rust thing, basically. Kind of like Golang. It's not much like Golang, but it also has like the macros and stuff. It's just Golang but Rust, basically. It's not really meant to be a special kind of language. Just like what I just said. So, anyways, I legit don't know if I should really do anything. Really, I legit don't know. So like, I'm just gonna give it here, I guess. Should I just commit this? I mean, it's a very small commit. Don't get me wrong, but like, it's literally just one line of commit. It's literally just one line. I mean, Asui has been one of my favorite projects to work on. But also goes to every other project I've worked on. So it's like I'm getting 50-50, man. Do I just let me check Saturn real quick. I mean, okay, you know what? I equally like Asui as Saturn, but I worked on Saturn recently. Like I legit got to 999 by committing, doing a lot of stuff with Saturn. If you look at my recent activity, I legit mainly have Saturn stuff, as you can see. So Voxa also. By the way, I don't know if I made this public yet. I don't think I have, but Um, due to Discord problems, I don't know what Discord even, I maybe legally I cannot do anything to Discord, but like I also don't want to be sued or anything. I don't know. I am scared to do anything really with Discord. I've seen some crazy shit happen. So, I don't want to go through that with with me, I guess. you know, like whatever Discord or like I don't know, man. Just crazy shit companies do. Anyway, so basically, I'm making a platform without the crazy shit Discord does. Um, and yeah, it's gonna be a chat app you can self-host, technically self-host. The app itself is gonna be still hosted by me, but what you can do is you can self-host your server, or like your, how you have a Discord server, but it's not really a server. It's like a group with extra features, basically. Um, so basically, I'm doing the same thing, but just I have like a business. Oh yeah, it's private, by the way. I have a business model idea. Basically, I'm gonna make a chat app where people can either self-host, and where I'm gonna get the money is if people want to host a chat, or like their server, their group, using me, my services and stuff. So if they want to do that, then yeah. But for the chat, the chat app itself is not gonna be any payments or anything, any that of cringe stuff Discord does. I think it's cringe in my opinion, bro. Like paying whatever it's like $6 a month, bro, or like €6 a month. I'm in Europe, so yeah. But it's crazy to me people pay online for that shit. So yeah, I think I have a life, so I probably don't get it. I'm okay. Well, I will not say I'm employed because I'm not employed yet, but um, that screen. I don't know, man. I have a life. I don't have a job. I have a life, so still applies, I guess. Um, yeah. By the way, with Voxa, I haven't done much. I've only done like the chat UI. I haven't done like literally nothing else other than the chat UI, which is actually pretty good. I tried to, add like the quote unquote, things, essential things you would see in chat apps like Discord, where you just like the message box, bro. It's all that. But I'm gonna add reactions, whatnot, you know. But currently, I just want to get functionality. I'm like thinking of protocols with ChatGPT. I'm just like, because I want to basically, uh, for the people, I don't think anyone's reading my code anyway, but for people who don't read my code when I do stuff like this, basically on Voxa server, by the way, made in Rust, just want to say that. I've made this like plugin system. Mainly I've been working on the plugin system, as you can see. If we look at like history here, mainly, yeah, removed WebAssembly, blah blah blah, mainly plugin stuff. And then I got into WebSocket stuff, or like server stuff, actual server stuff. Currently it's only like a broadcasting system. It's not nothing else. So yeah, but like for the protocol, I do want to do something. And by the way, the plugins are gonna be like your Discord bots, but just a bit more integrated, I guess, into the system. Because I've seen a lot of bots try to be good, but they're bad. Because I don't know, they're Discord bots, man. They're just like you cannot do much with them other than manipulate or like do whatever you can. But with this, there's basically no limits, like seriously zero limits. Currently, only init and on requests are done as like API stuff for your plugin, but I took like major inspiration from like Minecraft server hosting here, and basically I've also another video that has inspired me. By the way, um, I don't think paying 22K is reasonable, but it's a good investment from what I saw with hold on, to 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 or like Turbo. I'm just Turbo um computer. Oh yeah, computers. Okay. So yeah, I just like watched this video. Yeah, and even though he's making this like free, oh, I don't think I can make it free because I want to make a premium experience as well. But if I will make it free, I will still get money from this because if we look here, uh, upfront payment aside, this is pretty good, you know? Um, yeah. So, I mean, 2,000 per month is not bad for a free hosting. So if I eventually somehow get people to pay, in case like you need more members, more like 1,000 members, for example, if you need 1,000 members, we're just talking about single server here because, I feel like you should pay per server if you're going to host. That just makes sense to me, in my opinion. So basically, he just goes on it. Also, another hold on, let me just stop right here. I have two ideas right now. Two ideas just came over me. So I can make the hosting basically, um, part of like the user. The user pays monthly, but it pays for the users, for the resources for the server. It doesn't pay for the server itself. So that means like you can host multiple servers that use the same amount of resource. What this means is that it's also a good thing as well. I would say maybe because um, when you host a server, you usually pay like the sum, right? But when you host resources, right? When you host a resource for a server, you host essentially, and like it gets like a ladder limit or whatever it's called. Basically, let's say like you wanna have two servers, right? That would be like the basic plan of like the service, like $10 a month or something, right? But if you want more than that, then you can pay like $30 and you can have like three servers, but you can also have four, but like it's more increased because like it gets you like jumping. Even though you don't need that much, you might still want that level, that kind of thing. But I feel like this like server free, server thing is also pretty nice, but with ads, right? A lot of this is ads, sponsorships, and Turbo himself. He's famous, bro. Like unless I get famous somehow, um, I cannot pull this off, especially on a free model. So yeah, I'm gonna have to somehow do a payment system, which legally I cannot, and unless it's in my parents' name, which I don't really want. I think forcing or like not forcing, just telling my parents, doing this, I feel like it's unethical in my opinion. So I'm basically just gonna do like I'm gonna open like a crypto account, hopefully without providing a lot of info, like all that, because I hope maybe I cannot, but you know, Who knows? Maybe I have. I think I do, but that's besides the point. And I'm just gonna use that as the payment system until I go 18 years old. Then I can legally host a company and a payment system. So yeah. Uh, anyways, aside Voxi and all that aside, do we just do it now? I'm gonna commit. Alright, so yeah, we are on master branch here, okay. Um, one, or 1K commit. Hold on, party emoji. Why not? Damn. Alright, so commits. Wait. Okay, that fix delete key not working in input. Ooh, oh, okay. I'm ready. Okay, all right. I think we're all ready. We're all ready. Oh my god. Okay, yo, I don't know if I'm gonna be the first 15 year or like 16-year-old to do this, bro. Oh man. Oh shit. All right. This is crazy, bro. This is crazy. Okay, so I'm gonna hit refresh. I'm gonna see 1K commits, bro. Oh my god. Okay, hold on. Dude. Oh my god. Holy shit. Oh shit. Alright. That's kind of tough though, isn't it? Like, oh my god. Yo. Hell yeah. So now what? Do we just keep pushing, I guess? Yeah, I guess we do. But like, what are, what celebration do I pull off to I don't know, man. The celebration speaks for itself, I guess. 1,000 contributions. But like, is this like? I don't know if this like. I just hit the milestone. I don't actually know anything else. You know. I guess I can ask ChatGPT if there are any other contribute or like people with 1K. I mean, like at my age, because I obviously know I can get beaten, but dude, to me this is like crazy, man. Am I legit gonna be the first? I don't know if I'm like hold on, bro. What type of search can I pull off? What type of search can I pull off to get this result? Oh wait, I think there's like a new AI feature. Let's use that. How um um young teens with okay that uh young teens with well I'm not young teen so I'm a teen but like teens with teens with 1,000 with impressive GitHub pages. Oh wait, no, this is like I mean hold on. Looking for oh man. Okay, so I might actually be the first one to 1K commits at my age. I like from what I can see in this time, I can definitely do better though. I mean, you can kind of see it. My gap. I legit would have hit this like 2 months earlier if I could like be a bit more consistent. Consistency right here missed out, and right here a bit. But right here, I've been like incredibly consistent. Just at least like I like at least commit a few times. I also like for me to get here, I must have commit like I committed a lot of stuff, obviously per day, but the commits I've done aren't exactly like just like do a single line of code and then commit that. No, that's actually very far from that. But I basically like separated every change I actually wanted to do so that I can reset, which I've been doing quite a lot recently. Like you guys literally just saw this stream. I made changes here and reset them. So that's what I do a lot when I just test code or like just like try to fix bugs. I just do it step by step, abstraction by abstraction. Sorry, abstraction. You know what? I'm not even gonna speak like that, man. I just do it step by step. You know. This is the first commit. Boom. Wait, functional. Oh yeah, that. Okay. I've been very consistent. By the way, I got 25 followers. That's crazy. Like GitHub followers, man. Who's this guy? Oh, what? I why this is that a feature? I did okay. Oh yeah, by the way, shout out to this guy. He's actually a goat. Um, he like does design stuff. He doesn't commit much because he doesn't code much, but he does like Figma designs and stuff. I think. Oh, interesting. Practical. And wait, is this actually like in? Nice. He's pretty famous, bro. Oh wait, yeah, he is. Oh wait, but he's following a lot of people, so that makes sense, I guess. People just follow him back. Hey there, I'm Dave. Yeah, welcome to my GitHub playground. God damn. How, how many? Damn, like, oh, damn. Oh, wait, just code mode. Oh, current focus, building cool stuff and chasing memes. Yeah, I can kind of see that, bro. Okay, let's invite, inspire, maybe. Yeah, okay, it makes sense. Get a follower bot. Oh, oh, oh. Wait, that's actually kind of interesting. Oh, that's kind of disrespectful, bro. I'm not gonna lie. That's kind of disrespectful, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I just got followed by a fucking bot. That's great. Okay. Hey, I respect that though. I think I've seen this guy as well. I don't know where I've seen it, but oh, that's interesting. Pretty consistent as well. I mean, not consistent commits or like contributions, but like he does code review, pull requests, and commits and issues. I wish I could do that as well. Just balance this out. Maybe like a diamond. M5TS candidate. Yes, sir. Oh, M. Oh, M. Bro, why did I see? Why? why did I see a M5 CS, bro? Why did I see it? I mean, it looks similar, bro. I thought we had the taste, but I mean, okay. So like, why? Oh, how? Oh, okay. That's consistency, bro. That's. Oh my god. You know what this reminds me, bro? This reminds me of grass. That's the only green I think she ever. Yeah. Oh, him. Bro. Okay. That's the only grass I think he ever saw. Okay, or like the only green. So that's cool. Um. Okay, nice. We got a log. Fine. What is this? Nice. Yeah, this guy is pretty goated. Okay. Vienna. Austria. Wait. Next area is building. Okay. Oh, yep. Oh, that's. Hold on. Where did I see? Oh, yeah, there. He's from Earth, guys. I don't think I believe that, but he's from Earth. It's by writing. Yeah. That. Yep. And yeah. I mean, it checks out. Ooh. Oh, that's a bit less consistent in commits. Rudy, what are you doing, bro? Stop gooning. Get into coding. Lock in, bro. Oh yeah, Yo, this project, I remember this. I remember this. I'm gonna start this. I remember this. This was in Asui. In like back then, Asui is actually in Golang, but is this even in Asui? Hold on, colors. Oh yeah, that's the utils. What am I doing there? Main.go. Yeah, we're using Asui here, right here. All right, so what is going on here? Oh, okay, that's pretty simple. Get page title, okay, so do we just try this out? I don't have Go though, so to do fix bugs, organize the code in multiple files, add table support. Yeah. Hey, that's cool though. This is like, I don't know, this is cool. This was like a contest, like a small hackathon I did, where it was me, Rudy, it was Fefik as well, I think. Let me, oh, there. Okay. No, not that one. Yet, I think. No, no, this is like. Oh, oh yeah. By the way, this is like a collaboration. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff here. Damn. Wait, what? Silly. Oh wait, no. Did I? Where? Oh, there it is. Okay. So yeah, that's fine. That's fine. Oh yeah. I think I don't really remember. I don't. Oh wait, no. I think this is Bolt. One of my friends, Bolt. I think. Yeah, yeah. He has dot files. Yeah, it's definitely him. It's definitely Bolt. Basically, Bolt is like one of my friends. I think he's doing good now. I don't know, but I don't know. I'm not gonna get into his life, you know. He was one of my friends. I don't know where he is now, but yeah. Okay, Python 85, JavaScript 85. Nice. CSS 45. Cool. Oh, yeah, my pro my whatever you can call it, OCD, ADHD. I don't fucking know. It's a HD somehow. Yeah, it doesn't like that very much, but JavaScript, uh, 48, 50% of the code, 12, 37. Nice, pretty nice, pretty you know, nice profile, nice thing as well. Picture, it's minimal and nice. Oh yeah, Sean, bro, where have you been, bro? Where have you been? Like legit. Wait, bro, is he? I think he's doing fine as well, but like, yeah, pretty recently, I don't know where he has been, bro. He's been somewhere, I guess. I think he. Oh wait, I think I read one of his messages on Discord. Yeah, he was taking a break, I guess. So fair enough. Chords. I don't remember. No. Oh, I think. What is this? Index. Oh, this guy's good as well. Nice, dude. Okay, we're doing good. We're doing good as of now. But like, it's I don't know where he's been, cause I don't know. S base. Ooh. Okay. So what has he been doing? Ooh, it's actually pretty full. Like, okay. Howard. Oh. Um. I don't know who that is, but oh yeah. By the way, this is one of my friends. Two following. Who is he following me? Oh. Oh yeah. This is like one of my other accounts. Oh. I don't even. Where is my resource pack? Yeah, on this account, I used to have my resource packs. I don't know where it is. Hmm. Yeah. Okay. Amelie. I. Oh yeah. I think I remember. Yeah. She was one of my friends in a group chat. Not a group chat. It was like me, Sean, basically everyone who I've met. Basically, I think I haven't talked to her in a while, but I think I remember her as well. Nice, but bro, everyone I haven't met is in a while has been having like zero activity. What has been happening, bro, Sean? Like, what the hell is this? I hope he's doing good though. I mean, I don't know what he's doing right now, but clearly not coding, so fair enough. Um, yeah, that's basically it. All my followers. Um, yeah, thank all y'all for following me. I guess not that you care anyway, but like, thank you. It matters to me. Oh damn, yo. Okay, so what are we? Yo. I'm gonna guess he has a lot of commits. I'm just gonna guess he has a lot of commits, but I don't know if he actually does. So we're gonna all see. Okay. I A minus. Okay, enter. I didn't see the commits by the way. I only saw A minus. What's going on, man? What is all of this? Okay. Yeah. I mean, what did I expect, bro? What did I expect? Like, yeah. From the readme, bro, I can tell this guy. Bro, what is he? Bro, enchanting table language? What? Yeah, this is enchanting. I'm pretty sure this is literally enchanting table language. Or, I don't know. It looks a lot like enchanting table language, bro. Enchanting table language. Yeah, it's literally enchanting table language. What did I just say, man? Okay. What? Well, that's cool. All right. So, anyways, do y'all want to play some Minecraft? Maybe. I want to. All right. So, by the way, just taking a last look here. It's so satisfying, bro. Just look at this. Get up, bam, bam, bam. Scroll down. 1K. Wait, no. 1K, bro. That's mind-boggling, bro. To me, at least. Like, 1K commits, man. It's crazy. Anyways, tomorrow I'm actually gonna move out, but um, yeah, about that. Not too much into detail. I'm basically just gonna go into another apartment before I go to my actual apartment, just for a month, because like the apartment that I'm actually going into, is not complete yet. So I'm just going into my sister's apartment. She doesn't live there anyway, so you know, I'm just gonna live with my mom for a while, and just hope for the best. Uh, all right. So, by the way, I haven't made any tours or any videos yet about Minecraft things. So, basically I'm trying to make an elevator here. This was like a pit here, so now it's kind of broken. Got full diamond armor. Let me flex y'all. Hold on. Y'all need to see this fucking money, Look at this shit. Yeah, bro. I am not that rich yet. But yeah, thanks to this guy, I'm scamming him basically. Well, I mean I cured him, so he was a zombie villager. I made him a zombie villager, so yeah, this elevator is not working, bro. We gotta. Let me go here. Do we make another villager, a zombie villager? Oh yeah, okay. So let me show you guys what I've been also doing relating to that. Or get some more money. Oh wait. Boom. All right. Yeah. So up here. Okay. That's kind of annoying. Yeah. So ignore the bubble elevator. But also showing you some as well, because I've added. Okay, so let me quickly. Yeah, it is a bit laggy with the high quality animated. Ooh, whoa. Alright, bro. Alright. Bro, this is not one. Get it. Crazy. Alright, so yeah, it also has like curving, but it has bugs. I already fixed those bugs in a new upcoming release, so stay tuned for that. It's pretty much gonna be another beta release. It's gonna be 0.5 beta 2. This is currently beta 1, so stay tuned for beta 5. But right here I have an iron farm I'm making. I haven't done much because mainly there it is. Mainly I need like the villager. I'm on the villager step now. Basically I need to make all four sides the same as this one. Put beds here. Let me just show you. Beds and a boat. For some reason a boat, but I don't know. I don't understand it. I'm just doing it. And here the iron golems fall. I don't know where the zombie goes. I legit don't know anything. I just know I have to put villagers in that. So yeah, we gotta get some villagers. By the way, it took quite a bit to make this cape work like a curve, and I'm actually gonna tell you guys what I've been doing with Saturn recently. So first things first, before I even made this like curved or like bending cape, or cloak, fancy. Uh, I first worked on like I first tried to work with um, like getting this cape to load faster, because all these capes, as you can see, it's lagging my game right now, take a lot of system resources to load. So it's not particularly the most efficient. I would not efficient, just the cape itself. It's high res, um, and like it's mainly the cape texture. Because if you look here, the like texture doesn't look quite like how it should with that system resource taking. But it still looks good in my opinion. It's even animated. I took it on like Wiki Commons, I think, media, and I kind of changed the colors a bit. So now we have this is the original. Now it loads faster because caching. But if we wait for the white one to load, it's basically white but like kind of bluish. You can like it's very tiny, I think. So yeah, that's cool. Um, so okay, my game is not drive right now. Clicking, writing, and reading. Yeah, see, it's not the most efficient. Yeah.